Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sally. If you guys haven't been here, welcome. We love everyone. So today we are going to Ross. I got two huge bags. I got one right here and I got another over there and it's too big. We actually got 3 bags. Me and my mom both went to Ross today because I am actually going to a wedding this weekend. So I wanted to go dress shopping and honestly, it wasn't that good today. The dresses weren't like subpar to what I'm used to at Ross. I think they're just picked over because of Easter weekend. So let's go ahead and roll that footage of me shopping at Ross, and then towards the end of the video I will show you everything that I did get, and then I will try a couple stuff on. So let's go to that. Hey y'all, this is voiceover Sally because people in the stores look at me weird when I go ahead and basically look at stuff. So first of all, here we have some really cute dresses. I feel very confident in looking at these dresses. I was not impressed. What is this yellow one? I don't understand. And oh, then we found a really cute stitch shirt though, the stitch one, journey pink. I would rock that. I think I would. And then we got some ugly ones. Oh, the stitch one is cute too. It is cute, but I just wasn't impressed. I feel like Ross just is not at its peak right now. I like it better during the, oh wait, Ice Cube, that's cool. I like it better during the fall season. I think they have better stuff. This Van Gogh one is really cute though. And then I went over to the makeup section. Everything is locked up, but I found this Urban Decay Naked Heat. I thought that was cool. Found ULTA Beauty Tan Kula tanning mousse for $12.99. OMG, this kiss set, Kisses by Glamlight, this just came out literally a couple months ago and it's here, and it's the full like lip set. And then I think I also found, yes I did, the palette, the eyeshadow palette. I was debating to get it, I really was, but I don't need more eyeshadows. But this is the purple one, but I don't need it. I didn't need it, so I didn't get it. And then I found another Naked 3. I was like, what is, okay, Ross is coming through, but those prices though, $32, I think I'd rather get a different, you know, for that palette. I found Laura Geller, Cara Beauty. I found the Smashbox lipstick. I was like, oh, okay. And then I went over the shoes. The shoes were cute. These were cute sandals, $14.99, sparkly, but I needed a little more heel for me because I feel like I need heels for myself. I just need them to, you know, have a little density in the back for my actual heels. Like these Guess ones were cute, not my style. These mules were adorable. I don't know why I put them back. Now that I'm looking at them, I should have got them. $27.99, not bad. Not bad. And then these red ones, OMG, I fell in love and they were only $18. Aren't these so cute? This is just my style. I don't know why. I like ugly styles like this. It's cute. These ULTA ones, beautiful, beautiful, very cute shoes, but too tight. These white Guess ones, I'm kind of mad at myself that I didn't get them because I think they're the perfect height because they have a platform and it's just an adorable thing. And $34, I'm mad at myself that I didn't get those. And then we went over to the shirts. This one, Love, grabbed immediately. I think it was only $4.99. This is a pink one. Yes, cute. I think they were pretty inexpensive as well. They were. The red one as well. And then the white one, adorable, $6.99. And then I found this like very chic Paris fashion. I low-key kind of really liked it with like a tank top underneath and some cute jeans and then like high heels. I think that would be a really cute fit. And then I went over to the bag section. This green bag was adorable. It reminded me of Gucci and it was $9.99. I was like, holy crap. Then I found this Biege one. Adorable. Do you see it? $22. Okay. I was actually very impressed with the bags there. Maybe you're not, but I was, because I don't even really carry bags. I honestly just carry my phone with me and like my ID and literally my credit card, and that's it. But there were some really cute bags. Like this one also reminds me of Gucci, and I think this was very inexpensive too, $15.99. Super cute. This white one, I know I would get it so dirty, but that's like beautiful to me. And then I found this really cool, it kind of looks like Louis Vuitton in a way. It is ULTA, which I was kind of impressed that ULTA was there, and it was $29.99. That one was cute. This Gucci one is adorable too. And then these big Guess ones, as you can see, there's many different options. Very neutral. I didn't really see any bright colors, which was kind of weird. I kind of wish there was more colors in these bags. They were very neutral. I guess it's on trend. but I kind of want something to bland. I think that's why I didn't get any. It was kind of bland, honestly. And I don't like big bags. I honestly just carry tiny bags. Backpacks are more in my section, but let's go ahead and enjoy this little time of a little montage. So these notebooks, I needed to jump in after that little montage. They are so inexpensive for what they are. They are so high quality. The paper, the binding, the way this is, and then the containers. I found makeup containers. These containers are literally anything from $20 to $30 at like the Container Store, at ULTA, at Sephora, even at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. Like these are way more expensive. $3.99. Where are you gonna find a container like that luxe, really pretty crystal for $3.99? I don't know where to find it. Can you tell me? So I had to grab some, of course. So I enjoyed my time here in the container. So if you don't mind, just go ahead and watch me pick out all the containers that I liked. Over to the fitting room. So I did get these 3 selections. 2 of these you're not going to see here. The first 2 I'm actually going to show you later on in the actual haul, and then this green one. Okay, so let's see how this green one looks. This is my before, and then this is my after. Hail to the no. Like, look at this. It is so unflattering, super short. I couldn't even button this up. Heck no. Okay, and then I got another 3 because the first 3 kind of worked, kind of didn't. This really pretty long pink and yellow dress, I thought it had a lot of potential. And then I found a Calvin Klein original, $139. I think it was like $40. And then I found this cute princess pink. I don't know, I just wanted to try it. So this one was a contestant. I think the material was too thin because it just hugged my every curves in my stomach. I was bloated this day, okay? I know I need to work on it, but it was just very unflattering. I feel like if it was a tighter material, thicker material, it would have looked good. This Calvin Klein suit, I was so surprised of how I liked it. I think it was very flattering. I was honestly debating to buy this. I really was. The only reason was that I didn't get this was because the straps were too tight, but the bodysuit fit me perfectly, and it was so flattering. And I think with some heels, this would look adorable. This, hell no, look at this. It doesn't even fit my butt. Like, it is way too close to my skin tone. It is so unflattering. The chest doesn't work. Heck no. Oh, and this is near the checkout aisle. I found these near the checkout aisle. I thought they were so cute. $5.99 for these clips. I was debating to get them. And then near the checkout aisle, they always have things to entice you. They always have these cute little wallets. Steve Madden. I think I found a Juicy Couture wallet as well. Yes, I did. And then a bunch of different wallets. I hope you guys enjoyed that shopping. As you can see, there is a whole lot of stuff at Ross, but I feel like I wasn't as lucky today. I did get this green top. Look at how cute this top is. There's no back to it. Like, look at how adorable this top is. I think it's so freaking cute. I think this was like $7. And then I got these pants. Let me put that down. I got these pants as well. See how cute these pants are? Oh, hold on. You see the pants? They're adorable. They're super, super loose at the bottom. I really, really do like them. Just don't like the buttons. I feel like the buttons make them look a little bit cheap. But other than that, I do like this is a size large. This is a size large, and I think they were like $10. I don't know if you could read that. I think that says $10, but super, super inexpensive. And then this is the shirt. The only thing I don't like is that these really fall down, the spaghetti strap, so you have to keep them on like this. But other than that, I think it looks really cute with everything. That was 2 of the items that I got. Let me show you the rest of the stuff. So I did get these cool crystal dividers for, you see, what was I telling you about the top? I did get these for my makeup brushes. I do have some, and I think they were $20, and I got them at ULTA. So these were $3.99. These were $3.99, and I got 2 of them. I got 2 of them so I can put all my brushes, and it's gonna look really pretty together. I'm gonna put all my face brushes and eye brushes where my makeup counter is. So I'm really excited about that. Okay, I also got this really pretty black dress. Super, super, super cute. It does have a slit in the end, and this was $15.99. And what I liked about it is that it has padding inside of the dress. Super, super flowy. It's tight around the midsection. In the back, it does stretch. It does have some stretch in the front. And then when I tried it on, I felt really pretty. This is me in the actual dressing room trying everything on. I think this was the most flattering. I know the lighting is not good in those dressing rooms, but I do think this was the most flattering. So I really, really like this dress. And this was $15.99. I think this is the one I'm gonna wear to the wedding. It has really, really pretty lettuce straps, lettuce detailing, and it's kind of like white daisies in the front. So I think it's a super cute dress. I got my dad a wallet because I thought it was cute. It was really, really cute. The Lee wallet. I think it's faux leather or real leather. It was $10. It was $9.99. This was $25 at Lee, and it doesn't say that it's real leather. I'm guessing it's not. I'm guessing it's just, look at these straps. Oh my goodness. I'm guessing it's just faux leather. So we got that. Okay, then I got this super cute tank top. I mean, look at how beautiful this tank top is. It's very, very stretchy. It's kind of acid wash. And then at the same time, I think it's gonna like hold you in. It's kind of sporty at the same time. It's really pretty. I'm just afraid it's I'm more yellow than pink. I was gonna say, I'm just afraid that's a little too close to my skin color. And this was $4.99. Look at how freaking cute this one is. I freaking love it. I got some wet wipes for my dog because she is a mess when she goes for a walk. Like a complete mess. That girl gets dirt everywhere in her paws, her booty. Sometimes, you know, accidents happen, and I'm like, what the hell? So I'm gonna keep this in the car. I'm not gonna keep it in the car all the time. I'm just gonna put it in her, I have like a specialty bag that I take with me every time we go to the park or we go walking. So I'm just gonna put this in her bag. $3.99, and it's dog wet wipes for $3.99. So I thought this was like convenient, handy. Also got some poop bags. These are waste bags, Fruit Market, watermelon scented, 120. Just cute little doggy bags for $3.99 for her business. They don't smell like watermelon, maybe because they're old. I don't smell the watermelon, but they do have watermelon on them. These are cute and worth it for $4 for 120 poop bags. Like, go to Ross for your poop bags for your dogs. I also got this black dress. I'm debating between this black dress. It's very, very short. It has kind of like a lacy, very pretty material, very summery. I was debating between this one and the long black one, but I think I'm gonna go for the long black one because I think it's a little more elegant for a wedding. This is more like party. This is more party, like to go out, and this was $12.99. And the best part about this is that they're actually shorts. So if you go, I don't know if you can tell, but there's shorts at the bottom. That's why I thought it was so cool, because like if I do go to the wedding, then I can dance my little booty away and no one's going to be able to tell. And it's just a really pretty dress. Here is the b-roll of me trying it on in the Ross. As you can tell, like I actually do kind of like this like a lot. Like how it flatters my body. The only thing is that it's a little open in my chest area, but I think I can just pin it, put some double-sided tape, and I think it'd be really cute. So let me know what you think. Which one should I go for? Let me know down below in the comments. I also got these really pretty cute heels. Look at these heels. Do you see them? Super like bright red. Super tiny heel, mini heel. I love these types of heels. I can wear them to work. I don't feel like I'm wearing anything, honestly. Scent of the flowers. They are just so gorgeous. They're adorable. So cute. They have gold accents inside the flowers and then gold accents like on the actual strap. And these were $18.99 and I did get the size 8. I'm usually a 7.5. If I want these to be a little wider, because I do have a wide foot, I do have to get an 8. They don't fit me loose. They fit me pretty good. So these were cute. And this was by the brand White MT. Okay, and then a couple more items. I did get this divider. This pretty cool divider. This is 2 pieces. As you can see, it has many compartments. I'm going to put this in my makeup drawers. I have a 9 Alex drawer from IKEA, 2 of them, and it houses all my makeup, and they're kind of a disaster. So I need to have a little bit of organization. I thought this was perfect. And compared to like bigger stores, even like TJ Maxx, this is so inexpensive. This was $11.99. And do you hear that? Super good quality. Super good quality. Highly recommend. And then my mom got these chip bags, chip clips. I thought they were cute. And this is by Fiber. Oh, it's a good brand, Fiberware. And this was $3.99 for all of these bag chips. Clip chips for the bag clip. You know what I mean. My mom also got like some sheets for the bed, and I think they were like less than $20. Like cotton sheets. I don't know where they're at. I don't know what bag they're in, so she also got that. And then she got this for the house, in this big bag. She got this welcome mat, and it is $7.99. Look at this. Isn't it the cutest thing? Cutest welcome mat for the outside. It is adorable, and $7.99. Okay, so that was my Ross haul. What did you think? What was your favorite item? Comment down below, which dress should I wear? Should I wear the long black one with the daisies, or should I wear the short one with the cute shorts underneath so I can be a little bit comfy and comfortable? I am planning to wearing cream white high heels, about like 5 inches in the heels. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Thank you so much for coming. My name is Sally. If you do enjoy these types of videos, I do have a lot of hauls, unboxings, makeup tutorials on this channel. I would really love it if you would consider subscribing, click the little notification bell before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye.